Which instrument of monetary policy is primarily used to influence the short-term interest rates in the money market? CRR repo rate fiscal deficit inflation target. Repo rate. Explanation. The repo rate, repurchase agreement rate, is the interest rate at which the central bank, like the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, lends money to commercial banks against the collateral of government securities. By adjusting the repo rate, the central bank directly influences the cost of funds for commercial banks. When the repo rate is lowered, banks can borrow money from the central bank at a cheaper rate, which encourages them to lower their own lending rates to customers. This increases the money supply and lowers short-term interest rates in the money market. Conversely, raising the repo rate makes borrowing more expensive for banks, leading them to increase their lending rates and tighten the money supply. This is the most direct and frequently used tool for managing short-term interest rates. Why the other options are less suitable? It mandates the minimum percentage of deposits commercial banks must hold with the central bank, primarily influencing liquidity and bank solvency, not directly setting interest rates. It is the difference between government's total revenue and its total expenditure, a fiscal policy tool impacting overall demand and debt levels, not a direct monetary policy instrument for controlling short-term interest rates. It is a goal or benchmark for the rate at which prices increase, influencing monetary policy decisions, but is not a tool used to directly set rates.